8 Homemade remedies to stop painful cough and treat bronchitis. It's constantly great to be arranged all around okay to keep your well-being on an abnormal state. This incorporates counteractive action of bronchitis as an aggravation of the covering of the bronchial tubes that assistance exchange the air to the lungs and invert. Shorting during aggravation of these bronchial tubes regularly happens subsequently of some respiratory irritation like a typical frosty. Frequently, this somewhat critical aggravation can turn into a sickness that can acquire your life risk. Be that as it may, there is an approach to regard and ease bronchitis and in addition decrease agonizing hacking assaults totally actually. Best 8 home remedies for cough and bronchitis. 1. Water. Devouring 1 glass of water at regular intervals will help break up the thick bodily fluid and keep your bronchial tubes open. This is useful for halting your hack, as indicated by Dr. Hedgett. Vapor rub. Prepared in your home on account of its cooling impact, vapor rub can be extremely useful in circumstances and conditions like bronchitis. You can utilize 1/4 measure of ground beeswax. You can discover it in all well-being sustenance stores. 1/4 measure of olive oil, 20 drops of peppermint basic oil, 20 drops of eucalyptus basic oil, and to wrap things up, 1/4 measure of olive oil. This simple however exceptionally well-being giving cure can be set up by consolidating coconut oil, olive oil, and beeswax into an artisan shake. Utilize a pan to pour 2 creeps of water in it and warmth it on a medium-low warmth. Subsequent to doing this, you can put the blend from the mason bump in this sauce container. The oils will liquefy effortlessly, yet at the same time, you should mix keeping in mind the end goal to accomplish the correct consistency. After this blend is cooled enough, you can utilize little compartments to store it. Starting now and into the foreseeable future, you can utilize it at whatever point you require it. Steam. An incredible outdated procedure. The Great Steam Bowl treatment blended with either eucalyptus or pine fundamental oil. The counterbacterial impact of the eucalyptus does enchantment with softening the bodily fluid in each hindered aviation route in your body, while the pine oil can bring the mucus up and dispose of it in transit. Cayenne pepper. Hot nourishments, for example, pepper, give the body a characteristic method for cleaning the bronchial tubes from bodily fluid through hacking. Oregano oil. In spite of the fact that it is most regularly utilized as a sustenance flavor, it is exceptionally prescribed by Dr. Hedgett for its hostile to bacterial impacts which enable your bronchial framework to keep up its solid work legitimately. Ginger, cinnamon, and clove. Ginger is otherwise called the most intense calming promoter for your invulnerability as well as in the battle against influenza. Besides, it makes a colossal showing with regards to against bronchitis and other lung maladies. Set up a tea from a large portion of a teaspoon of ground ginger, clove, and some cinnamon and drink every day. It's one of the most grounded contenders for your bronchial framework. Garlic. One of the best choices for treating bronchitis and interminable hack because of its antiviral and anti-infection impacts. Here's the manner by which to utilize it. Peel 2-3 cloves and blend them with cut garlic into a glass of water or drain before sleep time. This is the ideal common solution for respiratory conditions. Nectar, the most intense against toxicant out there, which can treat clogs and throat aggravations at a high rate. Being sweet, nectar is not hard to join with numerous different fixings while planning regular cures. Include 1 teaspoon of nectar into high-temp water, tea consistently to avoid and treat throat aggravation and clog.
You